India slams UN expert over Kashmir concern, says lack of objectivity. German health official warned trend in falling coronavirus cases could reverse. US lets in asylum seekers stuck in Mexico ends Trump policy. The Daesh group has claimed responsibility for the February 3 killing of 4 soldiers in a rugged region of central Tunisia. Iran renew a call to the US to lift all sanctions imposed by Trump. The United Nations has called for global action to stop the war on nature and address climate disruption, biodiversity loss and pollution. Old habits Imperial Iraq as doctor warned of the second coronavirus wave. Turkey hires a US lobbying firm to return to the F-35 jet program.